know what we're gonna do today. All right, good morning, guys. Oh, what in the world? Look at this, guys. Brandon's not wearing a Risen hoodie. If you guys aren't owning a Risen hoodie yet, be sure to hop on the website. We got our beautiful Risen hoodies with the Risen on the sleeve here for when you hang your hand out the window. Never stop dreaming, of course. We also have the Risen t-shirts, Risen license plate frames, stickers, etc. on the website, so be sure to check that out if you guys don't have that already. But this one's for Brandon, because he's not wearing a Risen hoodie, so there you go. Brandon. Today, it's mainly gonna be Brandon to Brandon. We don't have the usual group here, it's just me and Brandon. Might have some visitors later today unless they bail, but we'll see. Here we have, from the last video, we did the front end of the wide body kit. If you guys didn't see that video, be sure to check that out. And today we're gonna be moving to the rear. I'm very nervous because the front end, it's one sheet of metal once you take off the fender liner. The rear end is 2 sheets of metal. So we're having to cut the front sheet without cutting the back sheet so that we can use the back sheet to panel bond it together and make it not an open metal area. It's a little confusing, but for those of you who have wide body before, you know what I'm talking about. So I guess first thing to do is take these wheels off, take off the fender liner, and then start doing the cutting. I'm dummy nervous, but let's get this shit off. How about you, but alrighty. Damn, I need a haircut, dude. All the fender liner has been removed. The wheels are off. I guess we should tape up the quarter panels so we can have it all ready for the mock-up, and then we'll draw where we're gonna be cutting, and then we will start cutting. My main concern with cutting this rear was the gas tank. It's literally right here. Voila. I don't want to cut, obviously, the gas tank open, but here, if you come in here, this is proving to be all the gas stuff right here. So as long as we don't cut this tubing, which is being fed through the back, we should be okay to cut through here. I'm not thinking I'm gonna cut any more than like this. I don't really wanna cut too much, especially I don't wanna get anywhere close to this. So should be a little minimal, but yeah, I think I'm gonna pop these out as well, these little things here. We just got the rear end to knock out here. That should be fun. If you guys come here, the body line on the other side where the gas tank is not gonna be able to go as high because the gas tank's like right here on the other side. So we're just gonna be following the body line here, cutting this line. I'm deciding to go straight up from here, a little curve and straight down. I don't know if this will be enough cutting, but this is gonna be the safe, practical route. It is a little unfortunate, there's all this room here that we could cut, but there's no point cutting it because on the other side there's a gas tank, and if it's not gonna go low enough on that side, it's not gonna go low enough on this side. So the most we're looking to be able to cut is gonna be this. So we're gonna try and cut this. There he is. This is the throttle giveaway car if you guys haven't seen it on our channel yet. Lucky number 3, and here it is. Looking good as always. Good morning. Let's see your, let's see how much you cut here. Wow, they cut a lot.
Scared, huh?
Wow. What do you think?
Damn.
Yeah?
You're wide, bro.
Yeah. She is. Yeah, man. Trying to be like you, bro.
I think you're gonna be wider, bro.
Wider?
Yeah.
It is quite wide. But we're cutting right now, and it's a lot of sparks flying. We cut the front already, but back here it's like burning. This is our piece of metal for the rear. This stuff is what we're going to use to seal. Look at this, dude. Isn't that satisfying? I'm really getting this down. More?
How far can you go?
Ah, I see. Yeah, this side should be fully done. We cut quite a bit here. We cut as much as we could to be even to the other side because the gas tank is pretty big. But we cut from here to here, and then we cut the inner metal to lift up the tabs here so that we can go get our panel bonder and bond all this together, and then we'll chop off this excess and make it one smooth surface. We'll probably sand it down, make sure it's all good to go. Maybe throw some paint on it, make sure it doesn't rust. All the rivets are already in on this side. We got to do the rivets for the other side, and then we'll be done. That's literally all we have to do. So going for a nice little lunch break. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the garage of Widebody. Today we want our camber to look something around, this is how I want the fitment to be, like this kind of. But if Alex is actually good like he says he is, I'm thinking like this kind of fitment. Alex says he can make this happen for us. I'm not too sure though. But yeah, we'll see. But we are throwing on some 1.5 inch spacers just till our custom wheels get here. But this will help it not look as bunk, I guess, for now. But I'm sure it's still gonna tuck in a lot. Alright boys, we just busted our ass for the last hour and a half, and we're done. We are done. Car is pretty much finished. All 4 panels are on. We got some spacers on, got the wheels on. There's obviously some things that go over, touch over, secure, but for like the rough draft, we're here. We made it. Today was the last day that we could really finish everything off because the car is going into wrap on Tuesday, and if I want this video to be done by Sunday for you guys, I cannot be working on this car tomorrow or Sunday. So we are pretty much wrapped up. We're gonna go grab something to eat, take the car for its first drive. I'm super nervous, get some pictures, some video, and get a good look at this thing out in the public for the first time. Remember earlier? Been what, 2 weeks or a week over? Yeah, I think it's been near 2 weeks since I've driven the car, and just moving it out of the garage felt good. Wow, that thing is thick. I can't wait to see it under some light.
Want a race?
No, let's do it.
For real? I'll do it.
I'm pretty sure you're faster than me anyway.
Why? You're supercharged. I thought we were racing.
We did it. As you guys see, we finished the wide body kit today. We ate, we had a good day, started at 10 a.m. Alex helped a lot, Brandon helped a lot. We've been at it all day. And I think the car came out very spicy. I mean, the wheel specs are, even with the 1.5 inch spacer, very tucked in. But this is a lot better than what it would have been without the spacer, so I'm happy. And then, same back here. Fitment on the kit all around was perfect. I can't believe everything lined up nicely, but super glad it did, and it looks super menacing. I mean, we still have to do the front splitter, side splitter, rear diffuser, big wing, save-on hood, wrap, and a big surprise for next year, but this car is definitely getting to that point, so I'm super excited. Next Tuesday, the car rolls in for wrap, and then you guys will probably see that video next Sunday, so I hope you guys enjoyed getting 2 videos this week, but next week you're only getting 1, simply because a wrap takes a little bit longer than what all this took. But yeah, I'm super happy, super proud. Oh, and I hope you guys liked Alex's build over there. That shit is actually really, really nice. It's not as nice as mine's about to be, but
Yeah, we'll see about that.
they said we'll see about that. But yeah, I'm happy.
Just the process.
I guess we should conclude the video here. This was a stressful turn of events, so I can't believe it's on. My first wide body kit install, everything, by like doing it not at a shop. Because like I said before, this car was supposed to go to a shop, but it didn't end up making it there, so we ended up having to do it ourselves. So, and we did it, you know? A little bit of imperfections, but stuff that can all be worked out over time, and we will, and I'm proud, so. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys saw today, this kit has been an absolute unreal dream. The Adro wide body kit is on my car and it's going to SEMA, and I didn't think that was possible. And I'm sure a lot of people, you know, in my life didn't think that was possible. So I'm super proud of myself and super thankful for you guys for following the build and watching along with this install. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.